Mauro, so I hear you were painting the outside of our house in the house.
We are. Charlie and I went over with this weather. It's getting cold, and we get a plane. We decided to prime and paint all the clapboards before installation.
So primer and finish coat of paint in here?
Yes. And then once it's all done outside, we'll go back out there and we'll be looking to do some touch-ups.
So yesterday, you guys primed everything?
Yesterday, I came here with my guys. We put a coat of oil-based primer on it. It's dry and it's ready to paint.
All right, so we've got the paint gun out. You're going to spray these?
We got the paint here. Homeowner designer chose this nice blue color. It's a historical color.
Historic blue, huh?
Exactly. So we're going to be priming the machine and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
All right. Well, before we start with the spraying, Kevin, I'm going to get my respirator, my goggles on, and then we're going to spray all the four sides first, and we're going to do like individual boards. I'll paint the top of it. Two of my guys will remove them and put it in a dry rack right there.
So that is moving right along, Mauro. Now, we've actually seen you do this before, right? I mean, this is not new to you. And you often don't have this much space, right?
Absolutely not. This was a plus,
Yeah.
and I will take advantage of it.
All right, well, looks like you got a handle on it. Thank you, Mauro.
Get it? Thank you, Kevin.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.